So friends, we are going to learn about ascending and descending order of the numbers. So first of all, we will see ascending order. In ascending order, ascending order. First, we will take one example. Example 1. 276, 300, 285, 221 and 229. So we have to add all these numbers in an ascending order first. So first of all we have to do this. We will compare the first digit of all these numbers. See, in this number 2 is first digit, in this 2, in this number 2 and this number also 2. So all the first numbers are similar in all the numbers. Okay, all first digit are similar. So we will move towards second digit. So see, 7, 8, 2 and again 2. So in these two numbers, second 2 is also similar. Okay, so what we have to do, we will move towards next digit in these two numbers. We can't compare two similar digits, so that's why we have to move towards next digit. Okay, so next digit is 1 here and next digit is 9 here. Okay, so we can compare within 1 and 9. So 1 is smaller than 9, so we have to take smaller number first, and after that we will take greater number. Okay, so 1 is smaller than 9, so this number is coming first. 221 is the smallest number among all these numbers. Okay, this one is smallest. After that, this is the sign of greater than. Okay, so 229 is the greater number than 221. Okay, we have got two numbers in ascending order. Now we have to find out the next number. So what we have to do, we can see here. Okay, we can see here 7 and 8 are the second places. Okay, these digits are second places in both numbers. So we can easily compare to these two numbers. Okay, so 7 is smaller than 8. That's why this number is smaller than this number. Okay, 7 is smaller than 8. That's why this number is smaller, this number is greater. So at the place of 3, the 276 number will come, 276, and the remaining number will come at last place. Okay, which one is the last place number? 285. Okay, so friends, by this way we can say that this is the ascending order. आप देखो, अभी हिंदी में आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. एक छोटा नंबर है, इससे बड़ा, अभी ये देखो 221 से बड़ा क्या है? 229 है कि नहीं? है ना? ओके, 229 से क्या बड़ा है? 276 है कि नहीं? है. और लास्ट में कौन सा है? 276 से बड़ा कौन है? 285. By this way we can arrange all these given numbers in ascending order by this way. Okay, have you got all of you? Okay, very good. Thank you.